Hello viewers. In this video we are going to install the VMware Workstation which is used useful to install the other operating systems like Windows 10 or Windows Server operating system. We can use that servers for our development purpose, and in next video we will see how to install the operating system in the VMware Workstation. So here I have downloaded the latest version of VMware Workstation. Click on next and continue the installation with the default options. Accept the license agreement. Read the license agreement before you accept. And by default it will install in the program files 86. If you want change to some other drives you can change it, as well as it install in the system uh, path. And the product update, if you want to check the product update at the startup, you can enable the checkbox. And if you want to provide any feedbacks to VMware, then you can use these checkbox, otherwise you can deselect it. And there are two options to keep the shortcuts in desktop and start menu. I don't want in the desktop, I remove it, just I want to keep this in the start menu alone. And install the VMware Workstation. So it will complete the installation. Once completed, you can start to install the other operating systems, and we see that in the next video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting.